was getting set for now. Accidental suicide becoming no doubt. Stretched out on a tarmac, 6 miles south of North Platte. My dewy-eyed Disney brow, what is tried, swapping your blood with formaldehyde. And there was no warning as it took me by surprise, as it hit me like an act of God, causing my alarm that I had not become a cephalopod. Still had legs and arms, yes, I still had legs and arms. Today was supposed to be the day molecules decided to change their form. Laws of physics, the dance surface building where the air is tight. This time spent resting on our bones, waiting for the telephones to ring.